Thank you for taking my call. This is Bob from Chattanooga. The hour is coming. All who shall presume to speak a word in my name are false prophets. I've been spreading the word through TV shows and VHS tapes since OJ. The man who called the Talking Dead on Sunday claiming to be Bob from Chattanooga is a liar and impostor. Do not be deceived.
Thank you for taking my call. This is Bob from Chattanooga.
Hello, Bob. What is your
The hour is
question?
coming. The hour is coming. All that are in the grave shall hear his voice. There seems to be no room in this mockery.
Oh, did we cut him off? I was kind of hoping we get some sort of weird prophecy. We have another caller. Hopefully this is another apocalyptic call. What is your name and where are you calling from?
Hi, this is Bob from Chattanooga.
Wait, what? Are you like season 2 Talking Dead Bob from Chattanooga who called and like said that the apocalypse was coming?
Yeah, and you jerks better not hang up on me this time.
Oh my God, I've missed you so much! Bob!
They
Everyone wants
said
to
that I
know,
hung
what's
up.
your...
I didn't hang up last time.
Everyone wants to know, what's your deal, man?
I don't know, man. I just kind of froze up the last time.
You froze up the last time? People still ask me about that. Look it up online. Bob, it's so good to hear your voice. I've missed you. I'm glad you're okay. Do you have any questions for our panel? Or do you want to prophesize the apocalypse?
For Scott Gimple.
Yeah.
So what stops Morgan from taking his life there at the end?
What stops Morgan from taking his life there at the end? Do it for Bob.
Oh, no.